Hello there, this is Mr. Clark, and we're going to go over the slope notes for this week. Now, this week, we only have a couple days. It's Thanksgiving. So, all you need to do is follow along with these notes, write everything down step by step, and that's your assignment. And that'll be it for until Thanksgiving, after Thanksgiving. Okay, so we're doing the slope. Now, the slope formula, you may have done this before. It's rise over run, and I'll show you more what that means when we get into it. But what you got to know is that we're using this formula right here. Oh, I'm getting too large. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're using the formula to find the slope, which is like the angle. You know, there's a line going this way, it's going this way, it's going this way. Slope between 2 points. Okay, so here's 2 points we're going to use right here. Now, I put this y, the x1, y1, x2, y2, just to mark the points, first x and y, second x and y. And that gets plugged into the formula here. All right, then I put this in here for you where you can put your numbers. Okay, so the first thing is y2. Where's y2? There it is. y2 is 6. All right, now, getting in here, you have to sometimes start from the bottom and go to the left. There we go. Y2 is 6. Okay, so there's y2. There it is, y2. And then we have a minus. It's already in here, minus y1. What's y1? Y1 is 4. Okay, so that's going in there. And again, for some reason, I can't click in there, so I'm going to go over here. Y1 is 4. All right, so that's the top of the fraction, y2 minus y1. On the bottom, we have x2 minus x1. x2 is 5, so we're going to get a 5 in there. Okay, x2 is 5, x1 is negative 2. There's x1 right there, right? x1 is negative 2. So you already have a minus. You need to put another minus in there, negative 2. All right, so there we have the first part. Now I'm just going to copy this here. Hopefully that works okay. That didn't work. There, that should work. Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to simplify. So we have 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. And 5 minus 2 is, now that's 5 minus negative 2, not 5 minus 2. So minus negative becomes plus. 2 negatives together become a plus. So that's 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. All right, let me make this a little nicer now. Okay, so there's our slope, 2 over 7. All right, so I'm going to show you, I'm going to make a graph for you. Be right back, and then I'm going to show you what that means. All right, so I have a graph here. Now, it has the 2 points. You have negative 2, 4. So that's minus 2. There we go. And then up 4. Negative 2 on x, up 4 on y. So that's that point. We have 5, 6 over 5, up 6. So that is the line. Now, there's a line segment in there that connects those 2 points. So we're finding the slope of that. Now, we got 2 over 7. That's rise over run. And the rise is it goes up 2, and the run is it goes to the right 7. So that's positive 7. That's how the rise over run works. All right, let's do another one together. So we have here these points, 2, 5, and 4, negative 2. Now, I'm going to copy this just so I get it all organized so I know which number to put where. All right, we'll get it over there to the points. Slowly but surely. Okay. And then there we go. So there's our x1, y1, x2, y2. So the formula, on the top it says y2 minus y1. So y2 is negative 2. So that goes on top of this fraction. I have to backspace to get up there. There we go. Negative 2. So that's y2 minus y1, right? y2 minus y1. Yep. So y1 is 5. Negative 2 minus 5. Okay, there we go. On the bottom, we have x2 minus x1. Here's your x2 is a 4. 4 minus x1. x1 is 2. Okay. There's a 2. All right, so now we're going to keep solving. So let me copy this. And equals. Get rid of that m. I can't get in there. Why is it? Okay. All right. Now m, and the m means slope. I don't know why it's an m. So, but it's an m. So, what do we got here? We have 2 minus negative 2 minus 5, which is negative 7. And then it's a little hard working with these fractions. Okay, we got 4 minus 2, and you know what that is. You know that's 2. So we have negative 7 over 2. So that's our slope. Now let's check this graph, and I'll show you what's happening with that. Okay, so there's our graph, and it shows our rise over run. So our points are 2, 5, so that's over 2, up 5, 4, negative 2, over 4, down 2, so there's our 2 points. Now to go from this point to this point, you have to go down 7 and positive 2. So your rise is actually a drop because it's negative. So you go down 7, and to the right 2, that's positive 2. All right. All right, then, let's take a look at number 3. Okay. So, turn this down. All right, number 3. So as you can see, I put the x1, y1 up here again, x2, y2, right up there. So I know which one's which. Keeps me from being confused while doing the problem. And as the formula states, we have y2 minus y1. Where's the formula? There it is. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay. So y2 is negative 10. So that's the first thing on top there. Negative 10, y2 minus y1. And it shows y1 up here as negative 7. So y1, so it's negative 10 minus negative 7. Now make sure you put this in parentheses. That's minus negative. All right. On the bottom, x2 is 6. x1 is 3. So we have x2 is 6. x1, 3. 6 minus 3. All right. Now we just do a little copy and paste here. Copy it there. Paste it there. If you want to copy and paste, you can press Control-C to copy, Control-V to paste. All right, so negative 10 minus negative 7, minus negative turns to plus. So that's negative 10 plus 7, which brings you to negative 3. All right, and then 6 minus 3, oh, that is 3. Well, this is an interesting one, because then you can divide it, and you'll actually just get one number instead of a fraction, because negative 3 divided by 3 is negative 1. The slope is negative 1. There we go. And I'm not going to do graphs for these because I showed you before. You don't have to do graphs when we do the homework and stuff. You won't have to. So, and it's kind of hard to do on the computer anyway. Let me just check to make sure I did this right. y2 minus y1, negative 10 minus negative 7. That would have been negative 3, correct? x2 minus x1, 6 minus 3. Okay, there we go. All right, let's do the last one. So again, I have the x1, y1, x2, y2 up here. And that's going to tell me what to plug in. Now, according to the formula, we do y2 on top, which is 3. minus y1, which is negative 2. So I'm going to put another parentheses up there. All right. 3 minus negative 2. X2 is negative 10. X1 is 5. All right, let me just double check here. So we have y2 is 3. Yep. Minus y1 is negative 2. Yep. X2 is negative 10. Yep. Minus x1 is 5. Okay. I'm going to copy and paste. Control C and then Control V. It's easy. All right, 3 minus negative 2. That's the same as 3 plus 2. So that's going to give you 5. Now down here, negative 10 minus 5 is going to give you negative 15. And this one, this is a little different too. You can reduce this one. Now let's review how to reduce a fraction. The way you reduce a fraction is you divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Now what's a number you can divide 5 by and 15? I'm going to go with 5. So if you divide 5 by 5, you get 1. And we got the negative 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3. There you go. And I like that. If there's just one negative in a fraction, I like to pull it out in front of the fraction. This answer is not incorrect, but I like it better when it's over here. I like it better when there's a space in front of it. There we go. And then get that out of there. There we go. Your answer is negative 1/3. Let's check to see if it's right. So we did y2 minus y1. 3 minus negative 2 is 5. Yep. x2, negative 10 minus x1, 5. Negative 15. Reduce. There we go. Okay, that's it. So that's it for this week, or your very short week. So have a happy Thanksgiving. Okay.